everybody, it's Mr. Matt. Today we're going to continue looking at the orchestra and remembering what we learned way back in February. We're going to sing our new song, the I Miss You song, and I can't wait to see you again. And then tomorrow we might take a little tour of the backyard because some things have been growing and growing and growing. I'd love to show it to you. So hello, special care. Hello, Mr. Matt. How are you today? We're just fine. Hello, everybody. How are you? It's nice to see you here today. Hello, at home. How are you? It's nice to see you here today. Hello, at school. How are you? It's nice to see you here today. And hello, everybody everywhere. It's nice to see you here today. All right. Let's begin by singing the I Miss You song. The many days we have been far apart, and I love all my family and friends. Though I miss you with all of my heart, I can't wait till I see you again. I miss you, you miss me, and one day all together we'll be. Many days we have been far apart, and I love all my family and friends, though I miss them with all of my heart. I can't wait till I see them again. I miss you, you miss me, and one day all together we'll be. I miss you, you miss me, and one day all together we'll be. Many days we have been far apart, and I love all my family and friends, though I miss them with all of my heart. I can't wait till I see them again. I miss you, you miss me, and one day all together we'll be. I miss you, you miss me, and one day all together we'll be. That's it. Now let's go to our pictures because we're going to look together and we're going to see the brass family and the percussion family today. So let's start with our first picture. Look at that and tell me, what is that? That is the orchestra. When we see all four of those families playing together, that is called the orchestra. Right there, we can see the whole orchestra. And then the string family. We looked at the string family the other day. And the woodwind family. We talked about all the woodwinds on that day. But today we're going to look at the other two orchestra families that we learned about last February. What do you see right there? What is that? The brass family with a B, with a B, brass. Can you say brass family? There is our brass family. And again, we know that the small ones are high and the large ones are low. So we're going to start with the highest and smallest brass. And you repeat after me. You say, a trumpet. A trumpet. Really, really high. a trumpet. Then we'll move down to the brass instrument in the middle, and you say a French horn. A French horn. And then even bigger and a little bit lower, a trombone. Do it again. Trombone. Then the largest and lowest brass, you say a tuba. A tuba. Tuba. There are our brass instruments. Now look at that. Look at all those things. What instrument family do you see right there? Percussion. Yep. Say it again. Say percussion. Again, this word is very cool because the word percussion requires you to make a lot of sounds with your mouth. The p, k, sh, n. Let me hear you do it. I want to hear all of those sounds. You say percussion. Percussion. Yeah. And there's a lot of percussion instruments. Anything that you can hit or shake or rattle, anything that you can use to make noise can be a percussion instrument. So we will look at some of the most popular percussion instruments together. Let's move over here. You say cymbals. Cymbals. And then we'll do two different drums. We'll do this one first. You say snare drum. Snare drum. That's going to be important next week. Then let's go over here. A little bitty percussion instrument that's very, very high. A triangle. Say that again. A triangle. Then we'll go down to one of the big, big, big ones. You say a timpani. A timpani. And one more. How about this one? And if you have a metal instrument that you hit with a mallet, it's this. It's a glockenspiel. Can you say glockenspiel? A glockenspiel. If it's made out of metal and it sounds like a bell, a ding, 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 that's a glockenspiel. Cool. And let's go back to this. Here's everybody. What is that? The orchestra. Now I want you to use your listening ears again today. We're going to play some sounds. I'm going to show you some pictures. Again, this is part of our listening game that you can find on mrmattspecials.weebly.com. Using your listening ears, tell me, what do you hear? I hear percussion. Percussion. Cymbals. Very good. Now listen to this. What do you hear? Wow. The brass. I hear the brass family. Now listen to this. That's right, it's the brass family again. Did you hear it? Trumpets, trombones, tubas, French horns. Now, listen to this. Do you hear all those magical sounds? That's the sound of percussion. Wow. Now listen. What do you think you hear? Whoa. Those people are playing percussion too. And I hear the brass family. Do you hear the brass family? Oh. Yep, that's it. Cool. So today we looked at the brass family and we looked at the percussion family. We remembered what lots of those instruments are called, and that the small ones are high and the large ones are low. So keep that sound in your brain, as we're going to be playing some games through the video, and then I'm going to be teaching you one of my favorite pieces of music, and we're going to listen to it together next week. Bye-bye, special care. Bye-bye, Mr. Matt. Have a good day today. We sure will. Bye, everybody.